In this video, we will discuss 10 multiple choice questions from the topic Electronic Devices and Circuits. Which of the following amplifier operates for the whole 360 degree for a sine wave input? Class A amplifier. In a Class A amplifier, the transistor is biased in such a way that the transistor conducts current throughout the 360 degree for a sine wave input. While for Class C and Class D amplifiers, that is not the case. Voltage gain of a common emitter amplifier is none of the above. Voltage gain of an emitter follower is unity, and it does not make any sense for the other two options, 0 and infinite. So, the answer is none of the above. The phenomenon crossover distortion exists in Class B amplifier. So in Class B amplifier, there are two transistors, a PNP transistor and one NPN transistor. In the case of a sine wave input, during positive half of the input signal, NPN transistor conducts, while during negative half of the input signal, PNP transistor conducts. If instantaneous value of the input signal is less than 0.7 volt, none of these two transistors conducts. So, output voltage is equal to 0, and this condition is called crossover distortion. And this condition exists in Class B amplifiers. To overcome the crossover distortion, we can use Class AB amplifier. The type of feedback in an oscillator circuit is positive feedback. Which type of coupling is used to amplify low frequency signals? Direct coupling. In the case of low frequency signals, if we use RC coupling or transformer coupling, we will not get proper amplification. So to amplify low frequency signals, direct coupling is used. Phase difference between input and output of an emitter follower is none of the above. In the case of an emitter follower, input and output are in phase. For an RC coupled amplifier, the plot of voltage between collector and emitter VCE and collector current IC at 0 input is defined as Q point. Which of the following generates high frequency signals? Colpitts oscillator. Phase shift oscillator and Weinberg oscillator generates low frequency signals, while Hartley oscillator and Colpitts oscillator generates high frequency signals. So the answer is Colpitts oscillator. Which type of feedback is used in operational amplifiers? Based on the application. In the case of operational amplifiers or op-amp in short, negative feedback is used if op-amp is configured as an amplifier, and positive feedback is used if op-amp is wired as an oscillator. So answer is based on the application. The product of gain of the amplifier and feedback factor is defined as loop gain. Thanks for watching Circuits Analytica. Enjoy learning.